overwhelmed by all the nutrition information and latest diets that are out there? Keto, Atkins, high protein, low protein, high carb, low carb, plant-based. The list goes on and on. It's very confusing and very overwhelming. Hi, my name is Bonnie Giller. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, certified intuitive eating counselor, and certified diabetes educator. And I help women and men break the spell that diets have over them so they can regain whole body trust. So I get it. I hear it every single day from my clients or potential clients that are calling me, and they say, I do want to make some changes in my health, but I just don't know what to do. There's so many recommendations out there, and it is so confusing to me. And they have tried over and over again the various different diets that have been promoted to help them shed the weight, lower their cholesterol, lower their blood sugar levels, but at the end of the day, none of it is sustainable. Well, that's what I want to talk about today. Do you experience this nutrition overwhelm and confusion also? It is March 2020, and we are in National Nutrition Month. The theme for this year is Eat Right, Bite by Bite. Now, you may say, Bonnie, you're a certified intuitive eating counselor. You teach intuitive eating. Why are you speaking about nutrition? A lot of people don't realize that gentle nutrition is principle number 10 within the intuitive eating framework. And so nutrition is an important piece of your healthy relationship with food. However, we teach nutrition only when you've really created a healthier relationship with food and your body, so that any nutrition guidelines you hear with an intuitive eater's ear, not a dieter's ear. So I want to make that disclaimer right now at the beginning of this video today, that if you are still sitting with a diet mentality, you are just starting your journey towards reclaiming being an intuitive eater, or you haven't yet done that. You're still on that yo-yo dieting train. Understand that, yes, if I speak about nutrition, you might very well hear that as more diet rules. But ultimately, as you shift your mindset and you really reject the diet mentality, learn to tune inward, how your body feels, what signals your body's giving you, you're attuning to it, and you make peace with food, ultimately you will be able to hear this conversation about nutrition and or learn more about nutrition and understand how to apply it to your life. What feels right for you? And that's the whole piece of it, right? Gentle nutrition is honor your health. Honor your health through gentle nutrition. You make the choices for yourself about nutrition, taking into consideration taste, and nobody else is making those decisions for you. It's empowering. You have autonomy over your food and your body. Very, very important. So bite by bite basically means if you want to and you are ready to make some changes in your health, instead of focusing on jumping all in and making all changes in your eating habits and your food choices, in a moment in time, like that's it, this week, next week, in a month, you've got everything quote unquote changed. Instead of doing that, take it slow, take it bite by bite, take it habit by habit, because then it will be sustainable for you. I have seen way too many times people come to see me and they go, okay, I'm ready. I want to make these changes. And they jump all in and then they burn out. We don't want that, right? Because again, it's not sustainable for you. So let's focus this month on, again, if you are ready to address nutrition, if you're ready to address some of your habits, let's take it one habit at a time, one step at a time. And each new habit will build upon the next. This is what I do when I work with my clients. So if somebody is coming to see me and they really want to learn about nutrition, but they do not want to diet, then we do it one nutrition pillar at a time. A nutrition pillar is a nutrition principle. It's a foundational principle that helps to guide your food decisions, to help you make informed food decisions that feel right for you. And I teach you one step at a time, one pillar at a time, so you can incorporate this into your life. So these new habits, these new behaviors become automatic for you. and therefore sustainable. If you're interested in learning about that program, it's called the 5-Step Nutrition Pillar Program. You can find that on my website, brghealth.com. If you are not yet ready to address nutrition, you are still looking to get off of the yo-yo dieting roller coaster, then let's take that step by step as well and begin the process to reject the diet mentality, take good care of you, make yourself a priority in your life, and learn how to attune to your inner signals, learn how to be mindful, and learn how to allow your inner wisdom to guide your eating and your food decisions. And ultimately, when you're ready, then we can go ahead and address nutrition from a very gentle perspective. All information about intuitive eating is on my intuitive eating website, which is dietfreeradiantme.com. And while you're there, just pop your name and email in to participate in the free 3-day online experience called Break the Spell of Diets in 3 days. You will really learn how to get rid of the dieting, get a taste of body trust, and perhaps this will be the start of your beautiful journey to a healthier relationship with food and regaining whole body trust. I hope this has been helpful for you. Please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And if you think this can benefit anybody else, feel free to just share as well. And I will see you the next time on the Diet Free Zone Show.